Model, 2020 Fiat Ducato 35-2-3130 Multijet MH1 low loader Luton box van needs turbo bargain. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 127,736. MOT, 1st of March 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is perfect. Just needs simple turbo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.